Hello guys, my name is Diploma. Today in this video I am gonna talk about website hacking using Sqlmap. So I have in previous video I have told you about the tools that we can use in Kali Linux for a website hacking. So I am using Sqlmap tool. So just type Sqlmap in Kali Linux root or terminal, whatever you can say. Just type Sqlmap. Sqlmap and -u, and you have to give the website that we want to exploit. So I am giving a website www.polymary.com.ru/material.php ID equal to 18 $DBS for database, for checking the databases. So this is the command. Just write it down and hit enter, and it will show the databases of the website. You can see the scanning has been started. It will see all the databases of the website in here. Yes. The scanning is going on. Just wait for a few minutes. You can see this is all the database file in this website. So let's scan this table database. So just go to this and type information schema, database information underscore schema double hyphen. You want the tables, so for this type tables, and you will see the available tables in here. Sorry, not double hyphen. Just hit enter, -d, and the scanning will be done, and the information schema database, it will show all the tables in the information schema database. So in this way you can check all the tables of this website. So the scanning has been done. You can see this is all the character set events. This is all the tables in the information schema database. So in this way you can hack any website or any site using Sqlmap. And let's check this user privilege. So let's check it. The command will be the same. This is a table, so just delete it and press capital T and user privilege. Just copy it and paste it over here. Copy and paste it over here. This. And hit enter. Sorry, again same mistake. I have no -t only. So it will see the tables in the user privilege. So this is a very good use for this, and this is showing all the results of that website. So in this way you can access the website in Sqlmap. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you.